Hi everyone, welcome to the Python video series on Cyber Academy. I want to take just a little bit time to quickly discuss choosing Python 2 versus choosing Python 3. So if you were a beginner and you were just learning Python, it was actually a pretty difficult decision to choose Python 2 versus Python 3. Because many companies still had legacy Python 2 code to be maintained. However, Python 2 was going to stop receiving security updates in the year 2020. And this course was initially released teaching both versions of Python. We talk both Python 2 and Python 3. And the versions were similar enough that it was easy to learn both simultaneously. And technically it still is. However, now every major external Python packages has been updated to support Python 3. Basically 99% of the top 300 packages of Python that are external packages you can download fully support Python 3. And these are packages such as Django for web development, who will later in the future stop supporting Python 2. Because of this, now our course will focus fully on Python 3. Now, if you need to be going back to Python 2, syntax is a very easy jump once you know Python 3. So you can go through this course, learn entirety of Python 3, the ins and outs of the Python programming language. And in case you get a job somewhere where they still have Python 2 legacy code, don't worry, you're not going to be completely lost. The languages are very similar. The versions of the languages are similar, so you can easily jump from one to the other, and I always like to say that if you know Python 3, you basically already know Python 2. You just need to learn a couple of syntax changes. And Python 3 really is the future of Python. So that's where we focus on it for this course. So just a short quick summary. Python 3 really is the future of Python. So we're going to be using Python 3 exclusively for this course. So we're going to get started by installing Python 3 on next video, and we'll be using Python 3 for the rest of this course. So guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos and updates. Thank you.